Angba wa nipandi ve. Nipandi nina. Ndeve. Ndenina. Nsuno. Idoma ngmaino. Ngmaine. Ngmachi. Egaduma no. Okelana wegia. Abahole. Ikede iyo. Noleme. Obenyenu. Obobe. Can we meet you, sir?
My name is Davis Elekwa. I am from the Igbo extraction, but I grew up in Benue State. When I say I grew up in Benue State, I'm talking about at the age of 9. I was brought into Benue by my in-law, and then I found myself in a place that is so loving and is so kind-hearted people around me. I did all my primary and secondary school in Benue State. And in my school days, those days, I remember we would always sing. There's one particular woman, one of my teacher, I will never forget her. A very, very thick woman, very short, Madam Shankura. That woman would always flog me every Thursday for not coming to school because I used to go to sell for my sister in the market, in Idoma market. And those days you must go and sell because this is where your school fees are being get from. I went to Catholic primary school, so it was cheap then. But no matter what, practically I did all my life was all in Benue State. There's nothing I didn't sell in Benue State. I sold granite in the tray. Those days you sell granite in tray, you get like 15 naira for a whole full granite in a tray. You say get 15 naira, and you have get maybe it was bought with 15 naira. I sold egg. I sold minerals. I sold a lot of things those days. So it was fun in Benue then. And if you ask me, like I always said, if I am to be given, if anything happened that I'm not born in Igbo land, I'm proud to be an Igbo man. I'm from Igbo, a very good place in Igbo land. But if I am happen to ask, where can you come again outside being an Igbo, I would say Benue, because Benue people are so accommodating and they are loving. I have so many Idoma friends. I have so many Gede friends. I have Ichilo friends. So that is my story in Benue.
So can you say something to your Benue people in Tiv land, because I understand you've been there and you can speak the language, the Tiv speaking tribe very well.
Yes. Moyango Igbo. Mwa zwati dido. Hashim zwati makaranta. Na moyango wangwa wane. Na hana. Igbo ya kpa m hụgwa zwati humba mbati mbagane mefa zwati ga. Me hụgwa zwati didoro. Na lame zwati ya kahagega. Me hụgwa zwati ofa timba ki yira timba wakpatuma. Zwati mba wakpatuma ofa gana. Me mfa timba zwa wakpatuma. Machi timba ki yira ya zwa akpakele. Hụgwa zwati dido ya na lame zwati ya o tikpa onava yere zwati. Mutesen ki yere zwati pa ma ki hama kwa zwati ya hụgwa dido. Ma ngwo Igbo. Na mwa ye nenge Madam Peace TV ya nenge Igbo lame zwati ya kawangba wo Igbo Davis Elekwa.
Can we meet you?
Good afternoon. My name is Friday. Well, I am from Akwa State. I grew up actually where I can actually understand Hausa, I understand Igbo a bit, and a little bit of Lebanese.
What can you say about the Benue people, either the good or the bad? about the people of Benue State?
That question is very wonderful. Let me come in this aspect. You know, I grew up having some Benue persons as my friends, be it men or women. And one of the things that I have come to understand is life is a choice. I either decide to be good or decide to be bad. Why I got so close to the Benue people is because of that mark that makes some persons believe that the Benue people are like this, the Benue people are like this. But for me, I don't see no tribe in Nigeria. No, quote me anywhere. No tribe in Nigeria that does not have the good and the bad. So most people think, oh, this lady is from the Benue, I cannot marry her. This man is from Benue, I cannot marry him. It's a very wrong. It's a very wrong idea. So I want to say that coming close to the Benue people, my brother, no forget to me na person will be say if I talk English, I go heartbroken. The Benue people that I've met so far actually give me the real definition why we have this tag on that particular definition for Benue State. We say Benue is the full basket of the nation. Truly, it is the full basket of the nation. I want to tell you one thing. No tribe for Nigeria here we no get good or bad.